We will discuss chemical property of haloalkane. Now, haloalkane undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. Haloalkane undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. Alkyl halide Rx, that one nucleophile, it will replace that halide. This type of nucleophilic substitution reaction. First one, replacement by hydroxyl group. Now Rx plus aqueous NaOH or aqueous KOH. What will be the product? Alcohol ROH plus NaX. So always remember, see, aqueous KOH substitution, alcoholic KOH elimination. Okay, remember these two. When we add aqueous KOH, it will undergo substitution. When we use alcoholic KOH, it will undergo elimination. So here aqueous NaOH, so that's why substitution. For example, see, ethyl chloride plus aqueous KOH. What will be the product? Now see, ethanol plus KCl. Next, replacement by alkoxy group. Now that one, Williamson synthesis. Name reaction, Williamson synthesis. By that we can prepare ether, Williamson synthesis. We can prepare ether by this method. So see, Rx plus RO minus Na plus, that is sodium alkoxide. That one alkyl halide, that one sodium alkoxide. Always remember the general reaction, because R we can replace it by any alkyl group. So try to remember general reaction. So see, ROR, that is ether plus NaX. For example, see, methyl chloride plus sodium methoxide. Product will be dimethyl ether plus NaCl. Replacement by cyanide group. Now in this case, see, we have to use alcoholic KCl. KCl, always you have to take in that alcoholic condition. So RCN plus KX. So when KCN, we will get cyanide, and when we take AgCN, we will get isocyanide. Remember, okay, when we use KCN, we will get cyanide. When we use AgCN, we will get isocyanide. Actually, CN, that ambidentate nucleophile, it can attack from carbon, also it can attack from nitrogen. Okay. Now Rx plus that AgCN, alcoholic AgCN. In that case, we will get RNC, alkyl isocyanide plus AgX. For example, see, CH3CH2Cl plus AgCN. CH3 CH2 NC plus AgCl, ethyl isocyanide. Now that nomenclature of cyanide is very important. Try to remember. Say CH3 CH2 Cn. Now when we count that carbon present in that cyanide group, then we will use that nitrile. So 1 2 3, it is propane nitrile. But if we not count that carbon present in that cyanide, then it will be that ethyl cyanide. So ethyl cyanide and that propane nitrile, same compound. Okay, when we write nitrile, then you have to calculate that carbon present in that cyanide group, and when we write cyanide, then we will omit that carbon present in that cyanide group. So that one is ethyl cyanide, and when we count that carbon, that will be propane nitrile. Try to remember that method. Okay, Hofmann ammonolysis. Ethyl chloride plus ammonia alcoholic medium. First step, what happened? We will get ethylamine plus HCl. Second step, what happened? Now that ethylamine again reacts with another ethyl chloride to form diethylamine. Next, that diethylamine reacts with another ethyl chloride. It will form triethylamine. Again, triethylamine reacts with another ethyl chloride to form that quaternary ethyl, that ammonium salt. So in that way, that ammonia reacts with alkyl halide. The ultimate product is quaternary salt. Now say CH3CH2Cl plus AgNO2. When AgNO2, we will get nitro compound. And when we use KNO2, we will get nitrite, that ONO. Sodium acetylide, this one, sodium So by that we can prepare higher alkyne. By using this reaction, we can prepare higher alkyne. From acetylene to we can prepare propyne, we can prepare butane by this reaction. Next, alkyl halide, sodium acetate. So it will form ester. So sodium acetate, this one sodium acetate reacts with that ethyl chloride to form that ethyl acetate. So alkyl halide reacts with that alkanoate to form that ester. So these are the reaction alkyl halide undergoes.